In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a profit and loss statement in Kashflow. This process is straightforward, and I'll be guiding you through each step so you can easily follow along. Whether you're an accountant or a small business owner, mastering how to generate this key financial document is essential to understanding your business's financial health. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to start by navigating to Kashflow Connect. This is the portal where you can manage and monitor all your financial operations within Kashflow. Once you're there, you'll see various options and settings on your dashboard. Look for your account name. You should see it quite prominently displayed. Clicking on the account name will take you to a more detailed view of your account activities and options. Now, once you're in this detailed view, the next step is to locate and click on Reports. This section is vital because it holds all the different types of financial reports you can generate within Kashflow. You should find it readily accessible in the interface. In the Reports section, you'll notice a list or a drop-down menu entitled Select Report. This is where you'll specify what kind of report you wish to generate. Look for the Profit and Loss option in this list. Clicking on Profit and Loss will allow Kashflow to understand that you're interested in generating a statement that shows your revenues and expenses over a specific period. The Profit and Loss statement, also known as the income statement, essentially reflects the operations of your business and is crucial for seeing how much money you're making or losing. After selecting the profit and loss statement, you'll need to adjust the date range. Kashflow allows you to customize the date range depending on the period you want to analyze.